everyone. So today we are exploring Mount Kiara suburb. So Mount Kiara suburb is actually famous for those wealthy locals and also expats living here. So now we are in area of Solaris Mount Kiara, and I will take you to stroll around how busy, hustle and bustle life here.
Let's start with the some main streets here of Solaris Mount Kiara. Starting with the Ravi's banana leaf restaurant, what we have yesterday, but different company. And yeah, that's how it looks like. Unfortunately, it's very cloudy, and I hope so it's not gonna be rainy. However, brand new BMW 7 Series is here, so that means as wealthy people living here. Also the Range Rover, and I believe some Porsche will be as well very soon. And Alphas, of course. Alphas are very popular cars in Asia. And well, let's see what we can find here in Solaris Mount Kiara today. Looks alright. I'm gonna tell you for the first 5 minutes what I'm here. Solaris Mount Kiara, here we go.
Solaris Mount Kiara is also famous for, you know, the expat coming from the South Korean, Japanese and Singaporean. As I read in Google, you know, there are so many Korean shop, Korean restaurants around in this area. Just like behind me, there, Korean shop. 안녕하세요.
Let's go, explore. This is one of the Korean shops or something like that, I believe.
And that one?
And this one, and as I mentioned, many nice cars, but this one is like a Korean supermarket, that's definitely. Hitting a little bit here to show you this very fancy looking building. I think is the condominium or office, whatever it is, looks fancy. Check this out. Feels like it's gonna be very, very heavy storm rain very soon. So we're gonna explore from the street as much as we can, and then we're gonna go up inside the building, because I hope so that we have still 5 minutes to make a video before big rains. Anyways, you can see so much interesting businesses everywhere around. This is the Met Corporate Towers. The rain is already, I can feel already the rain. And this is like Chinese, Korean I think. Looks nice. Japanese maybe, Japanese. Yeah, you know me? Really?
I saw you there, Cameron Island.
Yes, long time ago. Okay, let's see.
What's your name, brother?
What's your name, brother? We just met some our Malaysian fans, and check this out. This is like a Korean barbecue. This is like a little Korea over here, by the way. Unfortunately, it's already raining. I don't know. We always, when we came making video, it's raining. But as you can see, so many beautiful accents here. We have to get inside the mall. Again, mall, but rain. Like for example, over there is the Gangnam Korean Bistro. And I think this one, I'm confused, this one is Japanese, I think, because of the tables like this. I think this is Japanese, no?
Yes.
Yes,
so,
must be.
Like I mentioned you before, this Mount Kiara is famous for the Japanese, Korean, and that's why they call it as a K-town of Malaysia.
Okay, and meanwhile I'm gonna show you. I just come here, just literally 2 minutes ago was nice, now it's rain. You see how I predicting the weather better than the forecast. Okay, yeah, nice. Just have to get inside the mall. So that's the look, and the look at the cloud. So rainy. Okay, let's go. At least where we are now, it's like a small passage between the restaurants and the mall. So we can show you a little bit around the hair company. That must be a Sal. And the same like in Damansara.
No,
You wanna go again?
different.
Okay, let's go. Honey, let's go.
Wait. This one for the haircut, 160 ringgit.
Oh, more expensive.
More expensive.
Check this out. They have a very nice blue Mustang. This is the GT500 Shelby. No, just the Mustang regular one. But nice. I liked it. Unfortunately, the weather is not so helping me. And of course, like I mentioned, so many Alphard 1, Velfire, and rain, and Starbucks. Sayang, Starbucks, no?
Look, this is what I told you why this famous for the South Korean Gangnam style. Because there are so many Korean community here, and behind me is just like the advertisement for the Korean school, international school.
2 words about the cars. Here you can feel like in US summer. You have a Lexus, Land Rover, Range Rover, Mercedes, and all of this stuff. So definitely more wealthier people living in Mount Kiara, but the weather like this one. Okay, and this is like a mall inside. On the other side, you have a view of the the other part. There's some grill and trail bar actually over here also. So many places to have a drink. Yeah, let's see what we can find over here more. Actually, bar looks cozy and nice. Yeah, let's see. And another restaurant with the Japanese style, I believe. Check this out, the weather. Nice Alphard, Porsche. But look at the storm actually. Wow, I told ya. We have to stick in the mall, huh?
We are the monkeys, rain or shine, we have to make the video.
We're gonna make a video, but inside, not indoor, outside, only inside.
Now let's go up and explore what is the second building, as you know, big raining pouring outside, and I think this is the time to explore the building.
Look at these restaurants over here. Some of them looks nice. And this is the view from the escalator going up. It's actually something cool because we can overlook the city. Well, the city now is under the cloud and the rain. There's some condominiums, I believe, everywhere around. Look at the weather, how's the rain is. At least the concept of this mall is nice because on the other side is the open air. But this one is like a little Japan now, I could say. I think so, it's little Japan because it looks cool. Very nice actually, very interesting places here.
Well, actually the view from the second floor here is so nice. So you can see how is the hustle and bustle life in Solaris Mount Kiara from here. But unfortunately, it's raining. But normally over there must be bars, nightlife later on.
Later on, if the rain finish. And they have also barber for men and many businesses here around actually. Yeah, it's just the weather, little bit unlucky today with the weather. But we're gonna make a video anyways. And this is the view of the Mount Kiara and other suburbs around Kuala Lumpur. This is actually the toll road and the highway. And surrounds are everywhere condominiums. As you can see, it's still raining, but its visibility a little bit better than it was. Actually, like, yeah, still rainy. Anyway, and check this out. The traffic in the rush hours, like this one, guys. Like this one, big city life. So basically, Mount Kiara is another suburb of Kuala Lumpur, very close together with Damansara actually. And Solaris Mount Kiara, where we are now, is like a place for the hangouts and surrounds with the condominiums and the houses in general. Yeah. But even this is Mount Kiara and wealthy people living here. There's still some businesses like this one and over there, this one, they are closed. Yeah, probably because of pandemic, but you know, still, you know, yeah, that's the world after the pandemic times, right? The rain is slowing down, and that's the one of the view from the second floor from the mall look-like place. This is Mount Kiara Solaris anyways, and this is very nice looking bar, I think Japanese bar as well. Check this out. Actually many cool vibes here, probably at night, yeah? And on the other side, of course, so many actually Asian vibe look like bars and the restaurants. This one is like a Japanese, I believe. Japanese, Korean in general, and maybe some Chinese as well because of this vibe. This area is very popular for the Chinese, Korean, and Japanese in general. All right, the rain is finished. Usually here the rain is for about half hour and is finishing up. Sometimes not, but today's luckily yes. We were actually there everywhere around walking. And this is like a Solaris Mount Kiara, like a kind of place where all the bars and everything, Starbucks. We're gonna walk now into that direction and we're gonna show you what's going on. Meanwhile, that's the situation of Mount Kiara Solaris. Just after rain, Monday. Behind me over there is the coffee bean, tea and leaf. The vibe here actually after a while is very similar to the Bangsar, just a little bit different bars and the restaurants, mostly because these ones are more into Korean, Japanese and Singaporean and Asian in general, and Bangsar is more into Western. And after that, that's it. There is no mall, especially in this particular area of Solaris, but somewhere around there, definitely they are the most, just not literally here. So everything here is Korean, like Korean bar. Okay, Maybank is not Korean. And this is the Ravi's banana leaf. We have a friend with the name's Ravi, by the way, here in Malaysia. And all of this is Korean, or Japanese, or Korean. As I said, little Korea over there, and also this condo looks older one, but looks nice with this Colosseum on the top. Look like. Also, I made a video last time when I was in June in Malaysia in Mont Kiara regarding the malls. You can watch my older videos, the link and the picture of the video on the screen right now.
Alright, so we just arrived in MRT Semantan. What we observe and what we see basically in Mont Kiara, and then we were actually also in Bukit Damansara and also Bangsar. Actually, there are so many nice condominium, nice malls in these, three areas, which is, famous for locals, wealthy locals, and also expats. The thing is that, what I can say, they don't have a proper car park, and during the time when we go from the Mont Kiara and coming here, the huge traffic jam. So yeah, nice condominiums around, nice mall, but there is no car parking. That's why so many cars parking on the street. Okay, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.